Sure.
It's an ornament.
Yeah.
Okay,
What's the bottom say?
I got one.
First Hawaii Christmas 2017.
Cute.
You made that. Oh, man. Robotic.
Whoa, what'd you get? Douglas, what is that? A face mask? A face mask. All right, Lucas, open yours. What's that? What the? What did Lucas open up?
Where's all the twos and ones on these gifts?
Look, guys. Oh, that's an Echo Show, so you can talk to Nai Nai.
Lukey, this is for you, Lukey. That's not for me. Which one's for me? Open it. It's to Lucas from Dad.
Okay, thank you.
Is Lucas from Dad? Is that what it says?
Yeah. No, that's from Dad.
That's from Daddy. What the? Is that a Yeti on that?
Doug, this is for you. That's for you.
This thing? The tiny little thing.
What is it?
What is this?
Oh, yeah. I got one great. What is it? Yeti in my spaghetti.
Look at this, Dad.
Hey, that's a Yeti spaghetti story.
Look, you got a Yeti spaghetti?
Open it up, Doug.
I got this tiny little thing. What is this? Is it from Mom and Dad?
Yeah.
No, maybe not.
What is it?
One.
What is that?
What? Why can you do this?
What is that?
It's a little
It's a bear.
A bear. A smelly bear. Dad,
All
can I
right.
open this one?
Yeah.
What is that?
What the? Another face mask? Where there's smoke, there's fire. All right, Michael, what do we got here?
Why does he just think
This to the family? Nice. We needed some of these.
We did?
Screwdriver set.
Screwdriver set, eh?
Can I open this one?
Okay, Luke.
Because it's nothing.
Yeah,
Lucas.
that's to the family.
Right here. Michael, this is yours.
What's inside of there? It's for you.
Open it up. Where there's smoke, there's fire.
Stop saying that.
But what does that mean?
It means that.
Pew pew.
Wonder where those could be.
Hey, Mike, can you help out with some of these wrapping paper? Thanks.
Oh no.
Oh no, what?
Douglas, you hold that one. Michael, grab
I
that
think
red
that's
one.
not
Dougie,
personal.
grab that blue one, the
Could
bag.
I open this one? This is to the family.
Grab those
Okay.
bags. Bag for you. One for David.
What's David opening up?
Michael. We gotta open all these at the same time.
Pinball!
What the?
Build your own pinball machine.
Talking about this bag thing that they're opening the bag. Pinball machine here, garbage right here.
Well, hey, Lucas got Carolyn.
Oh, Lucas got a reading light. Whoa.
I need one of those.
You could have a gigantic bag over there, David. That one's for you. Michael, that bag is for you right there.
Ow.
This? Yeah.
This bag for me?
Pick it up.
Yay! A
For
reading
me.
light.
This is for me. What the heck?
All right, you guys got reading lights.
Is it for me?
What is this thing? No, it's Daddy. Give that one to Daddy.
Who's this
Dad.
from?
All right,
Can I open this one?
all right. You and Michael, You and Michael open those ones. Hold on. Let's everybody get the big ones.
Oh, grab those out, yeah.
Yeah, grab those out and give one to Doug and give one to Luke.
Yeah, I'm gonna
All right, Luke.
slide my.
Hold on. Wait for Douglas to open his. Douglas.
This is the 150 round thing I wanted because we have a face mask.
Here you go, Luca.
All right. Hey, Doug.
I'm ready, like. Which one do you want?
Ready,
Doug, you guys ready?
set, go. Yeah. 100x impact round.
You got a blue one. Sure, I do.
Oh, buddy, what'd you get, Luke? Holy moly! Hold that up for me, Luke.
Doug got a box.
I got a box.
Show me the other way, Luke.
Yeah.
There you go.
This is $80.
What the?
I got a box.
Giant
Here's
one.
the tag. How much is it?
I was just gonna Michael jumping up and down.
I need a box.
Yeah, Michael, when you were 2 years old, you got one of these and you jumped up and down for like 5 minutes.
Oh, here.
All right, can you hand that one on the ground to Mom?
I need the scissors, David.
I'm getting them for
Which one? This one?
you. Sorry if I said that.
No, that green one to your left. That goes to Mom. That's to Mom from the boys. Hey boys, look at Mom's present.
Is this one for me, Mom?
This one's to Mom. Everybody look at Mommy's.
This one is mine.
Dad, I had a. Oh.
David, you know about this one.
Mama,
I know.
can I?
It's the science.
Mama, can I?
So we hope that you read that one cover to cover.
Oh, dude, you got a box inside of it.
Cover to cover.
Science.
Actually, I flipped through it. It's very distilled down, so it's something that is more readable.
What? Thank you. Which one is this?
The blue one.
Oh, that's this one, Doug. 100 rounds.
Yeah,
Thank you,
that's a
Dad.
chaos. You're welcome, guys.
Let's go play with these.
Over here for the boys.
Play inside.
Inside?
Oh, look. What did Lukey get? What? It's a power pack for your gun. I wonder if there's 3 more of those.
I wonder.
Where?
Seeing all of these are battery powered.
They are?
Yeah.
Battery power.
Oh, this.
Yeah, this one's to you and I. Would you like
Nice. Yes. No, David already opened it.
David already opened this one.
Huh? Oh, wait. Which one's that one?
For me.
David gave us.
Oh, David gave us that one? Wait, we have 2 Santa pen bags?
Yeah.
Oh, I was so confused.
Yeah, we have 2.
Yes. No, wait. Oh, I did that one. No, that one's mine.
Now, where are those packs?
The red ones, David. That red one there. To your right. No, to your right.
Mom and Dad.
That one. Okay, that one. Like that, David.
That's what Dad said. Dad
That
can see.
that one's Lucas. That one's for Mommy.
Michael, we need a new garbage bag.
Yeah, that one's to Mommy.
Oh, it's a pack.
No, it's almost done.
No, it's not.
Nice.
We'll grab another
The
one.
pack.
What's that one say?
Do I open this one?
That's
Yeah.
what David got. Daddy and I.
Ooh, it's a pack. Oh, so you have to stick the batteries in along with the.
That's how it launches. Yeah.
Is this the present, David? Or is it open it up?
That's the present. It's a calendar.
Oh, it's a
Yeah.
calendar. Cute.
Mom, this is a gift.
Who does that say on there?
Ken and Michael, David.
What? Who does it say?
With love.
Thank you, David.
You only open it when it's the next month.
Carolyn? He wants to know who that's to. I don't know who that's to.
Can I open this one? This is from everybody.
That's the Steven.
The Chan family.
Okay, you can open it, Luke.
I need
Can I
some
open
scissors.
this one?
Where are the scissors?
That's to
I
all of
open
us.
this one.
that?
Can I open this, Dad? This is from everybody.
Whoa!
Sure.
What's that? I can't see the label. What's that?
We got more chocolate cookies.
Which one cookie? That's on the Steven too. Both of those are from the Steven fan.
Oh, yes.
Dude, this is how big the gun is. I'm gonna be like holding it like a shotgun.
What is that game, Lucky?
It's like, I don't know. Hey, where's the scissors?
Looks fun.
Can I open this one? This one is
You'll shoot your eye out,
Yeah.
for the Chan family. Can I open this one? Oh my gosh.
Oh.
My eye.
Oh, what is it, Dad?
It's a puzzle.
500 pieces.
500 piece puzzle. Let's find it out.
Care, open yours.
Oh,
Where are the scissors? Right here.
oh, what is it? Lucas?
I don't know. I didn't.
What do you think that is?
iPad.
iPad, you got an iPad?
That's for the boys.
How would I got this?
Victoria's Secret.
Oh, careful, careful, careful.
Oh, that's why I didn't want to open it.
All right, Lukey, can you give that to mommy? Let's not drop that iPad.
Oh, fun.
This is the Chan family. Can I have it?
Oh, I'm an angel.
Can I open it? Open the Chan family one. Hi.
These are cute.
You're welcome. There's a $20 rewards card in there too to be used. What? Make your own movie? Cool. So keep that.
Keep your bag.
Oh no, keep that rewards card because there's a certain date that you can go and use that $20 whatever.
Lego.
Cool. Fun.
100.
I don't know. There's one more on the table there.
There's one more to use.
Dad, we're gonna lose all of these.
Choose the gift for Mom and Dad. Dad, open this.
I could go to school and be like, we're gonna get like banned.
Mask. You got mask.
Another
Dad
mess.
have a mask too.
You get a mask.
All the boys.
We handed that present under there.
Do you really want to get banned from school?
What'd you get?
Someone's to the boy.
What are those, Luke?
Hooks.
Clifford books. A Clifford Christmas.
This again. Oh, this one. Again.
There, that's the last
What
one.
goes inside?
Open it.
Come here, sir. Can you make those?
How do I load this thing?
Do that.
I think this is too good to open
It's
it
to
up.
me. From the boys. What did I get?
Oh, I think there's one for
Oh, sweet. I got Batman Begins, The Dark Knight Rises, and Interstellar in 4K from the
Daddy,
boys.
this one is for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mama. Mom, is that one for Daddy? Can we just open this because nobody wrote the one.
Oh, it's a book.
There you go, Dad.
Wow.
Yuki, look.
Some red vine and Laffy Taffy.
Yuki, look.
Look, it's a Chinese cookbook. China number 1. Look, Michael. China number 1. China number 1 cookbook. China, the cookbook, with chopsticks on it.
Oh, those look like noodles.
Where's the bullets for one?
That says 100.
I think it's 100, yeah.
Oh, whose is this?
I think they're all to the boys, so it's all to share.
No, this is
Although to play it, you have to wear your face masks
with the colors.
because kids have lost their eyes.
Look what I got. We got a 14 game. And Jeopardy.
Mom got one too.
I like that. You play that with me? Will you play that
Where'd the gun go? Oh, fell out.
I need the scissors. I need the scissors. Stop.
Oh, you pour them in this canister right here. Give me that yellow ball right there. Someone's gonna die.
I think that's it. Everybody say Merry Christmas. All right, who's excited the most for what?
We're gonna
You
shoot
open
our eyes
it.
out.
I don't care.
Lucas needs some help. Wait. Lucky got 100 rounds? 40. Yeah.